In this video, we're making this delicious moong dal that is all made in one pot and it's beginner friendly. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, wash and soak the dal for 30 minutes and then drain it and set aside. Now in a pressure cooker, heat some vegetable oil. After the oil is heated, add in the mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add in the cumin seeds and let those splutter as well. Now add in the curry leaves, the Asafoetida, and the green chilies. Then after 2 minutes, add in the onions, the tomatoes, some salt to taste. I'm using 2 small spoons. And give everything a mix, and then you're going to cover and cook this till the onions and tomatoes are soft, so about 5 to 6 minutes. Then mix in the ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes. Then add in the Garam masala, turmeric powder, and the Maggi chicken or veg magic cube if using. Finally, add in the drained dal. Mix that in. Then add in the hot water. Give everything a good mix and let it come to a simmer. And then you're going to put on the lid of the pressure cooker and pressure cook on low flame for 1 whistle. Then switch off the flame and let the pressure release naturally. Then you can take the whistle off and open the lid. And give the dal a good mix and mash it a bit if you want to. And the dal is ready to serve hot with some rice or chapati. I hope you enjoyed this super easy recipe and I'll see you soon with some new ones. Bye!